Hi, I'm Dina Cohen with Brown Harris Stevens. Welcome to 245 East 25th Street, Apartment 9K at Spruce Ridge. This beautiful home boasts an open city view through a wall of north-facing windows and is bright all day long. The large living room is spacious enough for a dining area as well as an office. The exquisite chef's kitchen features Corian and custom concrete countertops, a built-in cutting board, and much more. The wonderful layout of the home has 4 custom-built closets, including a walk-in, as well as wall-to-wall closets in the king-size bedroom. Peaceful all day long, there are HVAC units in each room which provide year-round comfort. Spruce Ridge is a friendly and well-run 24-hour doorman building with a fabulous roof deck and incredible landmark and river views. Pet-friendly too. A lively and convenient neighborhood just 2 blocks north of Gramercy, and has it all. I'm Dina Cohen, and I look forward to hearing from you.